Previous video, I just show my old the Winsor Newton Cotman tube sets made in UK. That one is actually 20 years ago one, and I just have a coloring here. And then I was curious. That one is Arches paper, 300 gram, and the cold press. This one is a Meeden, that is a Baohong paper. Actually, that one is a 300 gram. Okay, 300 gram, and that is also cold press one. Size is 10, about smaller A4, smaller than the A4. That is a A4.51, and that one is Academy, and then Meeden. The brand name is a Meeden, then Baohong. Actually, in Sydney and Australia, the paper price is even expensive than America. Many famous artists just suggest or they recommend us to use best paper as a beginner for a good education, but actually it's so expensive. This paper is full A1 size is around $12 and to $12 to $15. And then the pad or sketchbook is unbelievably expensive. So I'm just trying to another 300 cotton paper. That one is made in China, but I'm still want to know about the quality compared with that the Arches and then the Baohong. So now I will just have same paints here because I have same paints remain here, so I will use it and then compare. There may be a information to the other Australian the beginners because beginners don't know about the information, so we just only depend on their review, but the price is so big difference. So this one is around the price range in the Australia dollar is around 18, and but sometimes cheaper. The one is around $13, so that one is even cheaper than this one. So I will compare with in here. Cat yellow first. The Arches paper is known as best vibrant for the color, and I will compare with the Baohong with the same paints. And but the more important one actually when we just mix with the other color, but this time I will only just testing the single color tubes, not mixing it. This is a cobalt blue. And the sallow blue. And the Viridian hue. And the sap green. And Delusional. The Bongiana. Indigo. The color is a little bit diluted. And paint gray. Can you see it? That one is also very spread. And I will test for the stain test. That one is not yet dried. So that is compared with there is no big difference paper by paper. This Meeden Baohong Academy paper. Many people just reviewed this quality is reasonably good for the beginner, because beginners should use a lot of paper. But sometimes if I use the Arches, I'm a little bit nervous, so the hands is a little bit shaky. Even though I just have a $4 cup of coffee, but that is normal. But if I use the Arch paper, but sometimes really stressed, so I want to use a paper just without care for the price. And this one is a Chinese version. That one is a UK version. Actually, we don't know the difference too much. So yeah, I will just have a testing for stain. I'm not sure the stain test. Can I do it just like immediately after, or just dry when it is dry, after dried? If it is a dried one, then later I will try it again, because if it is very easily lift off. So I have a question. I'm just really learner for the art, so I'm very curious everything, and want to know. And YouTube is the best media to learn everything. So even I'm just a little bit aged. Actually, I did not notice that, but the aged and oh no, that one is still just wet, so it was pretty easily. Yeah, stain tested in the same conditions, so compare with the paper by paper. Next time I will compare with the Arche cold press 300 gram, and then the Baohong Academy 300 gram and also I have the Moulin that paper, 3 cotton version. Then I will compare the difference one by one. Yeah, today I just compare the Cotman paints in Arches and then Baohong, but yeah, you can decide which paper. That one is around $15 per pad, 20 pages, 300-gram cold press. This one is when I just buy a paper, the loose one, and make this. This one is 8 paper, 8 sheets, and the price is around $12 in Australia in a cheap online shop. So the in Australia, that one is only for the Australian or the New Zealand. In America, that will be the different condition or the Europe or the other country. Especially Australia, the living cost is very high, so this issue is very common. So yeah, I hope that you helped from this information. Thanks.